you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I have some exciting news to tell you about some flavor releases by Cirkul. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some new flavors. Cirkul did send them to me for review so I can tell you guys about them and I can try them out for myself, and I'm super excited. Okay, so what they are doing is they're doing something called a flavor lab, and every single month they're having a brand new flavor released. Now that's the time where you can see which flavor it is, and if you're interested in it, you can purchase it. When they are sold out, they are sold out. So it seems like every month they're just gonna be releasing a new flavor and we get to try it out until they are sold out. So definitely, if you are not already following maybe their Instagram, if you want to be on their mailing list, I do get their emails on their mailing list sent to me so I know when their flavor lab is going to be coming out. But you can also follow them on their Instagram, and they will post on their Instagram and their stories when their new flavors are coming out as well, because they like to keep you guys informed so you know when and where and which one and all of that. So the first one that they did send to me, they sent to me last month, and unfortunately, right when I received this was when I was sick. Actually, it had to have been more than a month ago because I was sick for over a month, and it's been about a month of still trying to recuperate, and it's not 100%. So when they first sent it to me, that's when I had lost all my taste, my smell, everything. And I'm like, I'm not wasting this sip when I can't taste it. There's no way. So now I don't think this one is still available, but again, I want to at least share it with you. I'm going to try it and we're going to taste this and know, but it's a blue raspberry, you guys. I'm super excited to test this out. I love blue raspberry. And so I'm super excited to taste a brand new flavor. So this was last month's flavor of the month. This month they have a new one, which is down in here. And I'm so excited about this one as well. This one here is still available. So if you want to check out their newest flavor, you can, or you can stay up to date with all their new flavor releases. I absolutely love this. So you ready for the brand new one that you can now get? Are you ready? Strawberry banana. That's right. And they sent me 2 of them. Strawberry banana. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I have my cup with me. You guys know this is my favorite, is to have the stainless steel bottle, and this is the bigger capacity as well, so there's less fill-ups, and I love that. And I can put a lot more ice in it and it stays cold throughout the entire day. So this one I believe is a 32 ounce. I got it in white with the gray top. That's the best thing with Cirkul. You customize it yourself. You can change the colors. You can change the colors of these. You can mix it out with your own style. They even, if you are liking the plastic bottles, they do a little, like, you can customize the sleeve that goes over it. They made me my own that said SheCrafty at one point, and I absolutely love that. That is the one I use for work, so that's my work bottle. But you can have anything on there. They have designs you can choose from, or you can upload your own design to do your own custom bottle. They have the 32 ounce. They have the, I believe it's the 20 ounces, the other one, or something like that. They even have smaller ones, which are like half the size for kids, which that's amazing too, because 0 calories, no sugars, and kids can drink anything. There's fruit punch, there's teas, there's lemonades. There's so many different flavors to choose from. I have this with me every single day. And I don't just drink this because I'm being sent them for review. No. I place my own orders. I literally had last Christmas, I got Cirkul for my friends, my family. I'm just trying to spread the hydration out to everybody because water is very important for our bodies, health-wise, just in general. And it was so hard for me to drink water until I was introduced to Cirkul. And now I'm telling you, every single day, this bottle is with me. When I get home from work, the first thing I do is I pull my bottle out. The last thing I do before I go to bed is put my bottle back in the refrigerator. This is with me every single day. The only thing I do drink other than this is alcohol. If this came in alcohol, this is all that I would need. But it doesn't. It's supposed to be good for you. So let's go ahead and open up the strawberry banana. I'm super excited. So they're all individually bagged. You can actually get these at Bed Bath & Beyond now. If you missed that video, you can literally go to Bed Bath & Beyond. You can purchase the flavors. I don't know if they're going to have their new additions there. Those are mainly, I know for sure, on their website. But you can buy the bottles and kits and the flavors from Bed Bath & Beyond now. So you can check that out. Now with this, if you haven't seen my other videos, maybe now you are new to Cirkul and you want to know how does this thing work. This thing works like this. Here is the sip. This is your flavor cartridge. Whichever flavor you get, it all comes in the same design. So it has this little X right here with the arrows. You turn this and you go from 1 all the way to number 9. That is the intensity level of how much of the flavor is being released per sip. So your water goes just in the bottle. This sits on top because you do have this design here. Let me show you because I'm going to remove this anyways. Here's your lid. So when you're adding ice, I remove this part because it makes it a bigger opening than just this opening. But if I'm just pouring water, I'll just dump it in this one. So here's this part that goes onto here. And then you have this that slides in. So when you are sipping and you're drinking, it knows how much flavor to release. So no flavor gets inside here. This is just clean, clear water. If you don't want to have any flavor at the time, that's what that X is for. So for example, after I brush my teeth, I don't want flavor because those flavors never mix well together. So if I'm drinking water after I brush my teeth, I turn it to the X so I get just the cold water only, no flavor whatsoever. But if you are drinking it, you want more flavor, that's the beauty of this. It's at your own fingertips for your own liking. You want less, turn it down. You want more, turn it up. It's running out, turn it up. It's done, switch it out. Whatever flavor you want. If you want coffee in the morning, you want iced tea in the afternoon, and you want white cherry at night, you have that option to change your flavors anytime you want because they stay inside of here. They don't do anything else. Okay, I'm thinking, no, this one's wet. Okay, I'm like, is this the new one? No, that's wet. So that's the one, that's my one from before, which I don't even know what flavor it is. I think it's white cherry. So here is the strawberry banana. I'm going to turn. I always keep mine. Again, everybody is different. So whatever you feel like having yours at, I always leave mine about a 3. Once I've gone through a couple bottles, I might have to go to like a 4 for the last bottle or two. But I normally keep mine between a 3 and a 4. That's just enough flavor for me, for my liking. Also, if you don't know, there's this little thing right here. This is called the fin. So you can line up your lid. The lid just moves like this. You line up your lid with it. So when you are drinking, you plop that bad boy like that and it stays back out of the way. No matter which level you have it at, it stays back to hold your lid. So let me go back to, I'm gonna go to a 4 so I can get a little more taste so I can see. Because I can actually taste a little now. Ooh, I taste the banana and the, ooh, I taste the strawberry banana. I like that banana. It's strawberry banana, but I really like the fact that I can taste the banana. That is so good. Oh my gosh, that is good. I'm gonna have to get some of these before they sell out. Strawberry banana. Oh, and another thing, just a little tip. If you do have one of these or you do get one of these, sometimes, and I don't know the quite words that I should use without it sounding nasty, so I'm just going to say it. You need to basically suck the tip. Once you take your last, you take a drink, when you're going to take it out of your mouth, kind of just suck the tip. So you don't get the water that stays there, because if you just, you're going to have water that gets on the top. And then when you go to pick it up, that little water will fall on you. And some people think, oh, it's leaking because this is a spill-proof lid. That's another thing. It's, well, 1 drop came out, but it's spill-proof lid. So sometimes I'm like, oh, well, mine is leaking. No, it's just a little drop. So when I take my drink, as I'm pulling it off, I just suck the tip a little bit to get that little bit of water off. So my next drink, I don't have that drip that falls on me. So there's another little tip. This one tastes really good. See, I sucked the end. I just keep sucking as I pull it out. Again, I knew that it wasn't going to sound good, but I knew I just needed to at least explain it to you. So I'm just going to go ahead for the time being. I'm just going to stick this right back in here. They do sell on their website something called a sip saver, and it's a little container that holds 2 of them. So if you were in between like switching flavors, you can just leave it in that, or you can just toss them in a Ziploc bag, put them back in their original bag so you know what flavor it is, whatever you would like to do. But let's go ahead and try the blue raspberry. I'm super, super excited. If you want to test this one, see if they still have any available, or maybe they'll bring them back. But I'm super excited for this new flavor lab. Like, to have new flavors coming out, to be excited to try new things, like that is just, I'm already excited. So let me go ahead and put this one. I'll put it on a 4 for conversation purposes, just so I can get a little bit more out for the flavor now. I normally, again, keep it at a 3. So let's try this one. See, the 4 is a little too tart for me. Let me go down to 3. Perfect. And oh, that's good. Blue raspberry. And that has energy. It says energy. Blue raspberry. That one tastes really, ooh. I don't know which one I would say I would actually like better. Like, if I could only buy one of them right now, which one I would, if I could only buy one of them right now, I would probably say the banana one, only because they already have like the raspberry tea. There's already kind of like a berry situation, but I don't recall ever having anything with a banana. So if I could only buy one of them right now, I would probably do the strawberry and banana, because I really like that banana kick in there with the strawberry. But this blue raspberry is really good too. Oh my gosh. That is really good too. Wow. There you have it, you guys. So there's a little rundown of my Cirkul, just in case you were not sure or you wanted a refresher course on how it's used and how this thing works. I'm so glad that they sent me their new flavors. And I'm so glad now that I can actually taste, because this one has been sitting here for quite some time. And I'm just so glad I can actually taste now. Because that was pretty bad. That was pretty bad. I love me some food. I love me like flavors. I love to taste stuff. It was really hard. And these are 0 sugars, 0 calories. I know a lot of people are like, well, there's still sugar. No, there is not. There is no sugars. There is no calories. Some of them might have caffeine, only some, like the coffee ones, but it'll specifically tell you. Most of them do not. There's just sugar-free, calories-free. It's just flavor to add to your water and keep you hydrated. And I absolutely love this Cirkul water bottle. I don't have any other water bottles. This is the only one that I have with me and I need. That's it. Cirkul keeps me hydrated, and all I do is drink water. So much better than what I was drinking before, which was juice. I haven't drank soda since like 2013, so I wasn't drinking soda, but I was drinking a lot of iced tea or juice, that kind of thing. So at least now with drinking this, no juice, which means no calories, no sugars, no artificial, all that other crap that I was drinking. So this is why. This and my alcohol. That's all I need. That's all I need. Thanks. That's all I need. So again, that is everything that I have to show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried Cirkul? Do you want to? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew.